guys, welcome to Physics Classroom. In this video lecture, I will discuss about why we need to introduce electric field concept. From the Coulomb's law, we can easily find out the force between two charges if we know that separation distance between, suppose Q1 and Q2 are two charges, and the distance between two charges be r. Then Coulomb's law, we can find out the force 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by r square. So from here we can easily find out. And if we know the electric field for, let's suppose for Q1 at distance r1 be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by r square, then force filled by the Q2 F equal to Q2 into E. So why we need to find electric field? From there we can directly find out the force. So why we need that electric field concept? So let's see. Now suppose we have two charges Q1 and Q2, and the separation distance between the charges be r. Here r is 1 light year. 1 light year means the distance traveled by light in 1 year. And suppose we calculate the force at 14th September 2020. Then the force between the two charges will be F equal to K, let the constant part be K Q1 Q2 by r square. There is no problem. Now if we bring that charge Q2 from here to there and the distance be dr. Now the distance between two charges Q1 and Q2 reduces to r minus dr. So what we expect from Coulomb's law? F will be K Q1 Q2 by r minus dr air whole square. But exactly we will not get that much force. We will still get that much force. Why? Because we know that for any kind of force there is an exchange of particle, and here the exchange particle is photon, and we know the photon travels with velocity of c, or light velocity. So it will take some time, almost 1 year, to from here to reach here. So after 1 year, if we want to feel that much force, F equal to K Q1 Q2 by r minus dr whole square, then we have to wait for at least 1 year. After 14th September 2021, if we calculate the force between two charges, we will get that much force. In between that time, we will always get that much force. So from here we can say that Coulomb's law is not always valid. So we need to correct that concept. So we introduce a new concept that is called the electric field concept. In that electric field concept, we say if there is a charge particle, let's suppose Q1, across the charge particle there will be always a field. And that field is called electric field. If we want to find at point P the electric field, let's suppose the distance between point P and Q be r, then at P electric field E will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, let the constant part be K, then E equals to K into Q1 by r square. Here the charge particle field for Q1. Now if there is a charge at P, there is a charge, suppose Q2, then force filled by the Q2 F equals to will be Q2 into E, then equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by r square. From that concept we can find out the exact value of force. That is the reason why we introduce a new concept called electric field concepts. We don't directly find out the electric field from Coulomb's law. That's it. That's the reason why we introduce new concept. So if you find something interesting and wants to know the basic concepts of physics, then you can subscribe my channel, and please like, subscribe and comment.